When it comes to finding reliable surveyors in Lajpat Nagar, one name that stands out is SCON Design Delhi. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as one of the leading surveyors in the area. Whether you are looking to conduct a land survey, a building survey, or any other type of survey, SCON Design Delhi has the knowledge and skills to meet your needs. Lajpat Nagar is a bustling neighborhood in South Delhi, known for its residential and commercial properties. With the ever-increasing demand for real estate in this area, it becomes essential to have accurate and reliable surveys conducted. This is where SCON Design Delhi comes in. They have a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who are well-versed in the intricacies of Lajpat Nagar's real estate market. They understand the importance of providing accurate and precise survey reports to their clients. One of the key services offered by SCON Design Delhi is land surveys. These surveys are crucial for various purposes, such as property development, construction projects, and boundary disputes. Their team of surveyors uses advanced equipment and techniques to accurately measure and map the land, ensuring that all necessary information is captured. They also take into account any legal boundaries or restrictions that may affect the land's use. In addition to land surveys, SCON Design Delhi also specializes in building surveys. These surveys are essential when buying or selling a property, as they provide detailed information about the condition and structural integrity of the building. Their surveyors thoroughly inspect the property, identifying any potential issues or defects that may need attention. This comprehensive report helps buyers and sellers make informed decisions about the property. Apart from their technical expertise, what sets SCON Design Delhi apart is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every client has unique requirements and expectations. Therefore, they take the time to understand their clients' needs and provide personalized solutions accordingly. Their team of surveyors is highly professional and ensures that every project is completed on time and within budget. In conclusion, if you are looking for reliable surveyors in Lajpat Nagar, SCON Design Delhi should be your top choice. With their expertise in land surveys and building surveys, they provide accurate and precise reports to their clients. Their commitment to customer satisfaction sets them apart from others in the industry. So, whether you are a property developer, homeowner, or investor, you can trust SCON Design Delhi to meet all your surveying needs.